Hey, Bruce Naylor, the Boomer Consumer. Today we're looking at the Mixcder active noise canceling wireless headphones with Bluetooth, and this is the model E9. Now, as a disclaimer, these were provided to me at no cost. However, all opinions are my own, and no one is reviewing this video prior to my posting. These sell for $60 on Amazon. If you want to grab yourself a pair, I have my affiliate link down below in the description of the video. Let's take a look at the box. Okay, nothing too fancy, but not bad either. Back here we have different languages: English, support profile for HSP, HFP, A2DP, AVRCP, 33-foot distance via Bluetooth outdoors, and 49 feet indoor. A 40mm speaker drivers, 32 ohm impedance, 94 dB sensitivity, 500 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery, about 30 hours playtime without active noise canceling, and 24 hours with active noise canceling. Get the old unboxing knife, give it a stab, and open it up. Why would you want active noise canceling headphones anyway? Well, maybe you just want peace and quiet. You want to listen to your music, your videos, podcasts in peace and quiet. That's why you would want one of these. You travel, maybe on an airplane, whatever, you don't want to hear the noise. Well, there you go. This is what these are for. You just don't want nothing to come between your music and your audio source. Opening up here, and the whole thing is in a very nice case. Look at that. That is a nice case. Kind of a firm, hard case, so that's good. Let's go ahead and unzip this. Let's see what we get inside. All right. I'm going to turn this around. Check it out. Very nice. Got a band in here that's just holding these in place. Those are the accessories. Looks like we've got a USB cable. Let's go ahead and open this up, shall we? Got your 3.5 millimeter cable. Nice. Put that off to the side. Got your USB cable. Micro USB to USB Type A. Very good. Got your airplane adapter. Welcome thing here, and then thank you for your purchase. Nice. And you got your usual books, so forth, and got your user's manual. If you want to take a look at that, definitely somewhere down the road. Let's get to the star of the show here. Pull these out. Very nice. All right. I like to do the old stretch, the old bend. Oh, these bend really well. A lot of good flex on there. Some nice soft, I call it pleather, leatherette, whatever you want to call it, for the headband. Nice cushy ear cups on here. All right. Let's take a look on the bottom here. We have a switch for the active noise canceling on here. Turn it off and on. Boom. Volume up, volume down. There's your charging point, charging port, off and on switch. So yeah, volume up, down, charging. There you go, off and on. Feels nice. Got a nice weight to it, about 23 ounces maybe, something along those lines. Let's go ahead and just talk about some of the features of this headphone. Now, they claim at Mixcder that you have superior noise cancellation. We're going to find that out. You have upgraded 40mm drivers, 30 hours of playtime without the active noise canceling. Swivel, they fold for storage. Nice 90-degree swivel on here. Bluetooth 4.0, 500 milliamp battery, active noise cancellation. We want to see how these sound. So I think what we'll do is we're going to stop the video at this point. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect this via Bluetooth, fire it up, see how it sounds. All right, so we're going to start the pairing process right here. You just press and hold the power button to get that flashing. I got my iPhone here. There's the Mixcder showing up right on here. I'm going to go ahead and press that. We're going to go ahead and get it paired. That's it. It's paired. Now you got a blue light on there. It tells you are good to go. Takes about 3 hours to charge it up according to the manual. I haven't charged it up yet. I'm just going to go ahead, put it on, try out listening to a little bit of music. I have to tell you, I've been trying these out for a while, and first off, the active noise canceling works like a dream. It just mutes just about everything. It's so very, very quiet with this thing activated. If you want peace and quiet, you want to enjoy your music, videos, podcasts, whatever audio source you want to listen to, an absolute, it just blocks everything. I even had a lawnmower go by. Barely could hear this big lawnmower. Maybe it won't kill a weed eater or something like that, but you get the idea on there. Let's talk about comfort. They at first seemed a little bit snug, but it's not too bad. Fully adjustable, by the way, these headbands. I gotta tell you, these have a premium feel to them. They really do. They feel like headphones that should cost a whole lot more than $60. Now, let's talk about the sound quality of these headphones. The bass is really tight on these headphones, really tight. These are ideal for listening to your music. I think that's what they're optimized for, is to listen to your music. I can't really demo these things too well. Obviously, headphones, right? And I don't want to copy thing on YouTube. Don't want that. Really comfortable. These are the kind of headphones that you could wear for several hours without needing a break. Easy to use. Again, you can just want to use them with your computer. You don't want to go wireless. Just plug them right in. You're good to go. You're good to go. These headphones are a yes. In my opinion, they are a yes. I think you're going to be pretty hard-pressed to find headphones that have the active noise canceling that works really, really well. I'm very impressed. Does a great job with music. I think the highs could be a little bit brighter on them. The cushions are comfortable. The overall fit is going to be good. The overall quality, it feels nice in the hands. It feels sturdy. I like how they're nice and foldable, ready to go. It's a lot to like about these headphones. Color me impressed on these. Not a whole lot to complain about for what you're paying for the price. You can spend a whole lot more money on a set of headphones and not have near as good as ANC on there, as far as I'm considered. As far as I consider it. You might have a different opinion, but I gotta tell you, I'm genuinely impressed with these. I truly, truly am. If you want a pair for yourself, check out the link below. Bruce Naylor, the Boomer Consumer. You want peace and quiet. You want to enjoy your music. You don't want to listen to the neighbor next door, next seated beside you, people off to the side. Then you probably would want to grab yourself a pair for these. And you're getting it for a good price. That's what makes it a definite yes, is what you're paying for this kind of quality, sound quality, noise cancellation. Gonna have a hard time going wrong with these. Bruce Naylor, Boomer Consumer. Talk to you later.